Identity operators are often used in the Python programming language. In this video, we will make examples of is and is not operators. At the end of the video, you will understand how identity operators work. We publish all videos for free. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. The is and is not identity operators are control constructs that return true or false. It does not check if variables are equal, like the equal operator. Checks if the objects are the same. Let's start with examples to better understand how they work. First, let's do an example of the is identity operator. The example has list variables. We haven't learned how lists work yet. However, I wanted to show it in a simple way in this example. We can assign variables of different data types to the list. Not all variables in the same list need to be of the same data type. For example, a list can have string and small int variables. In the following videos, we will learn in detail how lists work. In the first example, there are two lists. Both lists are the same. The is operator returned false. The equal operator returned true. The is operator does not check whether two list members are the same. Checks if two variables are the same. You will understand better what I mean in the next example. The equal operator returns true because the objects of the two lists are exactly the same. If we use the not equal operator, it would return false. Now let's focus on the second example. There is a list. List numbers are assigned to another variable named 2. So the variables numbers 1 and numbers 2 are synchronized with each other. First, I want to print both variables to the console. Both have the same members. Now I will convert the above print command into a comment line. I want the following print command to work. It returned true on two values. The is operator checks if the variables are the same as I said before. It does not focus directly on the member or members within. But since it's already doing variable-based checking, if it's true, the members must be the same. The equal operator also returned true, because the two lists have the same members. If we use the not equal operator, it would return false. Let's focus on the third example. It has the same variables as the first example. In this example, I want to show how the is not operator works. The is not operator returned true because number 1 and number 2 did not have the same variable. The equal operator only compares the values of the variable, as we learned in previous lessons. Hence it returned true. If it was not equal, it would return false. Let's focus on our last example. Same as the second example. There is a list variable. The other variable is synchronized to the list variable. First, let's print the first print command. Both lists have the same members. I'm converting the first print command to a comment line. I will show the second print command on the screen. The is not operator returned false, because the two lists have the same variable. Note that it returned false. The equal operator compared the variable as in the other examples. Return true because the two lists have the same members. If there was a not equal operator, it would return false. Thanks for watching. We publish all videos for free. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.